finally got it. About damn time. And damn. So, review time, since no one else does anything about these things. About this particular knife. The sound. I'm not sure 100% how the real one sounds, but this one sounds alright. I don't mind it. It feels pretty good in the hands. It's aluminum. It is a little slippery, but I don't know. I kind of like it. I mean, it's something different compared to the other only two knives I have. Finally, something light that is very neutral. The weight is about here in the handle, so it's pretty neutral. Secondly, play. Not really any. You can't hear any, but you can feel just a little, and I can probably show it to you. Just a little bit. Actual play, it's just a little. Not much different than my rep. And it flips really smooth, to be honest. I wasn't sure how this thing would turn out, since there was only like 6 reviews in total of this thing. And the only videos of people flipping the clone version of this knife had audio over it, or music playing, so you couldn't actually tell if it sounded good or not, or how it kind of felt. The edge, it's a little sharp. It definitely will cut you. It's not razor sharp, thank God, but it is definitely sharp. It does have an edge on it. But, I don't know, it sounds kind of grown on me. It's weird. I'm not sure about the real one, but it's kind of weird. These are T8s, the main pivot screws. I figured they would be T10s. So I can't replace those. I only have T10s. But other than that, man, I mean, I just got it a few minutes ago. Came with the standard stuff you get from Valley Plus. The little thing, the cloth, the spare hardware, all that, and the screws. I put blue lube on it and just made sure all the screws were tight, and they were. And that's how it is. A few minutes of flipping it. I've got to be honest. I am a little scared of it, because my other knives, they will cut you, but they're pretty dull. Like, I would not run my fingers across this edge really quickly. I'd do that on my real knife and my other ones, because they're dull. So they'll definitely cut you, but not that big. But this will actually cut you, and so I am a little worried about doing some things. So I'm just kind of, yeah, see. I'm a little worried about doing other tricks for right now. Just making sure everything's alright. Because I know some people complain about, like, they say, oh, I lost my tolerances after only a few drops. And I guess that's concrete. I don't flip over concrete. I think that's really disturbing. And it pains me to watch people drop their knives. Like their $400 replicants or Alpha Beast over that. It's just sad. Like, it hurts. But this thing, it feels really good. I ordered it, I believe, January 7th. And today is what? I've done forgotten. 17th, I think. So, not too bad. I guess I had hopeful thinking when it said January 11th, and I got a little pissed that I didn't get it, but that's alright. Yeah, I got it from Powden 888. Paid about 50. The actual knife is, I believe, 40 or like 39, 96. But I paid $10 for the faster shipping, so it would get here pretty soon. Because if I paid, it was like an extra 10 for the fast shipping. If I paid $2, the regular shipping, it would have gotten here February 17th. And I am impatient. I cannot wait that long. But right now, I'm going to just have to get used to this knife because it's about 3.7 ounces, which is the lightest knife I've flipped in a long time. And honestly, I love it. I got so tired of flipping, those heavy knives. The Replicant 4.5, Alpha Beast, Jesus, Alpha Beast 4.9, and the Replicant isn't even that heavy. I don't know, just got tired of it. I wanted something light, and this it actually does feel really fun to flip. Like if I wasn't so scared of it at the moment, I could really feel like I could just flip this all day long. Very light. It's a good feel. There aren't really any sharp edges that I've noticed. It's very smooth. Nothing's poked me yet. Okay, I will say these are kind of sharp. So, might have to watch out for those, but other than that, man, maybe it's just because I just got it like 10 minutes ago, but I'm pretty impressed. I wasn't sure how well it would hold up to, other things, but it's pretty good. And, yes, the logo. No, it is not a real one. It is a clone, but that is what some of the clones do. They do put the name brand on it, and I understand. People get mad at that. I get it. I honestly don't care. I mean, I definitely wouldn't say do it, but oh well. I got my knife, right? So, yeah, I mean, that's probably it. I'm not sure what else to say. Other than I'm happy. It is a beautiful blade too. There's something on it already. Not sure. Love the style though.